Today I have a tip for all you crafters out there and collage artists and people that need to glue stuff basically. Sometimes you will get catalogs in the mail. This one just came in the mail. It's a huge chunker of a catalog and it's got these lovely glossy pages. The thing is, we ordered one thing from Uline a few years ago and we haven't really needed to get anything else from them, so we certainly don't need to keep a catalog as a reference. But these glossy pages are great for crafting because let's say you are doing a collage, maybe you're gluing down tissue paper or something where you really want to get to the edge of your object. But if you do this on your table, it's hard to glue to the edge without making a mess. So you can do that on these pages like this. Then stick it down on your project. I mean, I don't really have anything I need to glue right now, so we're just kind of like pretending here this is the product I'm making. This glue stick's about had it too. But, you know, I can go right out to the edge. I don't have to worry about getting my table all gross. And then I can get a really nice bond with my paper, right? But then the beauty of this is once that I'm done with this, I can tear that off and I can throw it in the trash, and then I've got a fresh new page to use for my next thing. Or you could just turn the page, and then when you're done, you've got this entirely glued shut thing that you could just either throw away or recycle or whatnot. Unfortunately, there's no recycling in my area. It's really, I don't even know if these glossy pages do get recycled, so this is a good way to upcycle it, make something that's super useful for you as a crafter, and keep it out of the trash until it's had one more use. There's also a jewelry company that I buy from that sends catalogs all the time, even though it's been quite a while since I ordered. So it's just a great way to use those things for something super practical, and it doesn't take a lot of space, and you know, it's just so very useful. So save a catalog, keep it in your craft room, and use it as a gluing surface. You can also use it as a stamping surface too. Having a little bit of a surface with a slight give can be nice for stamping too. And there you have it. There is my quick tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up before you go. Happy crafting.